Halmstad. It's like what, an hour and a half drive maybe from where we live, and we're gonna see our aunt. Her name is Eva Lotta, and we're gonna see our cousins. We have 3 cousins, and they have kids. They each have 2 kids. So
I can't really get a good angle of her. But...
Actually, 7. Chiba 7. So actually 7 cousin kids. Yeah, and we're 8 cousins.
Why are you counting?
No, we're 5. Quack quack. If you are a kid and you call it quack quack, this is probably my first word in Mandarin. Because when Chris was little, her mom would walk around after her going quack 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 quack.
But it's not actually a cucumber. Huangua is cucumber.
In Swedish, you call it gurka if you're from the south, like we are.
Gurka.
If you're from more like north or middle. And in Thai, tang gua. Oh my god, that's so funny.
No, it's not.
We have arrived. Yes, this is the bomb place.
I can't even see. That's their house car that they love so much. But yeah, like me and Sandra, we love Eva's home. It's
Love it forever.
baby Agnes. Are you ready to go see? Who would even call that? Foster? I don't know, my Swedish is like poor as hell, boy. Why does my mom make that noise?
Oh, there we go. Oh, hello.
Okay.
This is Pauline, my lovely cousin.
Who loves to be on camera.
Hi, Pauline. And then Josephine is over there, chilling. Sandy.
Look, I mean, look. These are all photos.
That's our grandma, grandfather.
Look, hurry up. Look at the cake. This is called sommartårta. Like, I tried to make this cake so many times, but I can't.
Eva, did you make it?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
You see how fluffy and wavy it is?
Thought it would be nice to do a little house tour.
Maybe we should start from like over there.
All right, BRB. Maybe we should start over there means we should start over there.
Hashtag passive aggressive.
Välkommen till Lotta Household.
Yeah, you seen the, what's it called? RV?
Here we have an inner garden.
Let's enter.
Let me, yeah,
Ooh, cousin kids.
cousin kids. I have a bathroom
For
in
guests.
here for guests. And this picture has been here for like the longest
Yeah.
time. And it's a constipated little child. And there's a bedroom in there. But maybe we should not show it because it's
That's Wilson.
Here we have Eva's sewing room.
Sewing room.
It's gotten messier and messier. I feel like every time I come, it just gets messier and messier.
What do you mean? This is super neat.
The hall. Chairs. This is the living room. So, before there used to be like a TV here and the chairs, like the sofas were different, but they changed it. And then this is where we used to have Christmas dinner. Here, we have the bedrooms. Master bedroom is in there. We have toilet.
Wardrobe, bedroom.
Toilet, bathroom, bathing house. Alright, so this is the bathroom.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah, I used to take baths in here as a naked lady, and my parents would take pictures of me.
Yakuza.
Nudie.
Ooh, I just like to film myself. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can I see how tall you are now? Oh my.
Here we have a shower room. There's no toilet in here. It's just a shower room, which is really weird.
This is where I always brush my teeth when I'm here.
That's Busa's office. It's so
Probably.
weird. This is another bathroom.
This is toilet.
Toilet. Kids are in there. Boom!
There's one.
Two.
Ooh, two.
There's another one there.
Three.
This is another room.
Ooh.
And then now we will show you one of the best places. Walking through here, we enter the kitchen area.
Attack.
This is the kitchen where all the magic happens. Yeah, we like this place because this is where all the good stuff is made.
This is where you watch Donald Duck.
This is where I opened my Christmas gifts when I was celebrating. Like, we used to have the tree here. And then this is the patio.
Perhaps.
Patio.
It's the garden.
The garden. Come here, Sandy. What are you doing?
Oh my god. I can't run. No, my legs still hurt from going to the gym the other day. The ocean is over there.
Is right there. And there's a lot of sheep in that area too, which means a lot of sheep shit. Okay, run.
This is the view from the back.
Ding! It's so pretty. This is weird. We're on our way back home. This is Sweden's nature. If anyone was wondering what it looked like. Sandra's driving. This is what it's like in Sweden. Imagine living in this kind of area. And you would have to like drive such a long way to get into the city. But yeah, this is the fun way. We're back.
Following us today on our Sweden tour. Today has been a really nice day.
Oh, tomorrow Malmo Festival starts. So,
We're gonna make it happen. I'll talk to you later.
alright. You want to end it?
Yeah.
Sam, you want to end it?
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.